yung kapayapaan na dapat meron ang isang Kristiyano. Number 1, ayan. Keep steadfast on the Lord and trust in Him. Ayan, or keep your mind steadfast on the Lord and put your trust in Him. Kung mapapansin nyo dyan, no, there are two prepositions. Steadfast on the Lord and put your trust in Him. So those are two prepositions, but they give two nuances. Okay? So when we say steadfast on the Lord, para mag-achieve natin yung ganap na kapayapaan sa mundong punong-puno ng kaguluhan, ituon natin ang paningin natin sa Diyos.
Amen.
Amen po.
Amen.
Focus your mind on the Lord. Focus your mind on Jesus. Because if you focus on the external things that is happening around us now, madi-discourage lang tayo. Minsan mako-question pa natin yung faith na meron tayo. Minsan madi-disheartened lang tayo. Minsan mag-worry lang tayo. Minsan magiging agitated lang tayo. Amen?
Amen.
Nanakawin yung kapayapaan natin kapag